Hi, it's Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the mini round brush to conceal those stubborn spots like right around your eyes or right around your nose with some concealer in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Taking your concealer of choice in the mini round brush, go ahead and get some on there and then just use this right on any stubborn places to get, like right around the corner of our eye, right where our tear duct is. We tend to have a lot of darkness hiding right here in our eyes. It can be pretty hard to get with your finger or any other application tool that you may be using, but if you use the mini round brush by Beauty Junkies, you are able to just get right in there to conceal it quick and easy. That round tip that it has makes it perfect to get into those hard to reach spots and makes it really curved to the natural features of your face. You can also take this right around your nose. We tend to also have some stubborn dark spots right around our nose. You can instantly see just how much this will brighten up your face too, and it's a step that we often neglect sometimes because it is one of those harder to reach spots. And there you have it. Very easy, fast way to conceal any of those stubborn dark spots using the mini round Kabuki brush.